What up world, it's BK here, and in this video we're going to replace a wheel stud on a Toyota. Here's the part we're going to use. As you can see, it's really chewed up, pretty mangled. So first steps is we're going to loosen the wheel nuts, put the car on a jack stand, and then take the wheel off. Matrix is equipped with drum brakes. The easiest way to get these off is there's like a screw hole here. You screw it in and then it pops it out. I used to have one, but I can't find it. Just hit it with a mallet and hope it comes out. Okay, sick. Actually, just with some hammering, it's gonna come loose. Nice. Not bad. So this is the old one. It lost so much length getting mashed and destroyed. So how's this one going? Like this? What we're gonna do is use this open-ended wheel nut, and we're gonna use that to drive the wheel stud through. So I'll loop this through the back, and then we'll just crank on this until it pulls this forward and the teeth catch onto the teeth in there. It's not going any farther. Let's see if we can back this nut out now. Oh no. Just like that, you got a new wheel stud. They're about the right length, so I think that we have done this accurately, correctly. Get the wheel back on. Congratulations. Now